today we'll be reviewing some court cases. There's funny mysteries and secrets. So, without further notice, let's get into it. So, what's the first court case, Daddy?
Someone put ketchup on pizza.
Jail, jail, jail.
Somebody ate pizza with a knife and a fork.
No! No! I'm not sending them straight to jail because jail 2 times in a row would be absurd. So maybe I think I'll give them a fine and... Yeah, never mind, jail.
You don't think you're being a little too harsh?
Alright, fine. I'll tone the ball down a bit. You're getting 1 hour in timeout.
Someone puts ranch on spaghetti.
What? Not that bad, honestly. Only 10 minutes of timeout. I've never tried that combo before, so I don't really know.
Someone wears pajamas to school on purpose, and it's not pajama day.
I sentence you to the whole to 1 month worth of weekends doing chores. And the only breaks you get are breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Actually, you get a 30-minute break. Like, I don't know. So, yes.
Okay, a kid skipped reading time to play Roblox.
Okay. Honestly, I would give this no charge. In fact, I would actually add something. But due to the really horrible updates Roblox has been adding recently, even after all that he's playing, well, actually, I can't complain. I'm playing too, so no charge.
A child refuses to take a nap.
I don't take naps that often.
A child. A little kid. A baby, Chandler.
Okay, then, since they're a baby, I can't do that much to them. So, 30 minutes in timeout.
Somebody says Michael Jordan is the GOAT over LeBron James.
I actually like Jordan more than James. Hey, don't unsubscribe to me or else you're going to jail. Don't unsubscribe to me for that. So actually, that kid will actually get, the next time he gets timeout, it'll automatically be reversed, aka she doesn't get timeout at all.
Celebrating before crossing the finish line.
We've all had those We've all had those moments. We've all had those don't celebrate too soon moments. Especially in Geometry Dash. No charge.
Okay. A student failed a test and blamed the pencil.
Why would you blame the pencil? Jail! What did the pencil do to you? Plus, I don't think you can even have beef with a pencil. They're an inanimate object. You can't have beef with a pencil? Just go to the next one, please.
A kid traded his lunch for cookies.
No charge. This is actually acceptable.
A person cheated in Monopoly.
It depends how.
What is there an acceptable way to cheat in Monopoly?
No, I'm just saying how large the punishment is.
So what's the punishment for cheating? Because you cheated Monopoly.
What do you mean I cheat? How do I cheat then? How do I cheat?
You might do extra rolls. You move your thing.
No, I don't.
You never cheated in Monopoly?
No, I have not. I promise.
I don't know.
I promise. And if I break it, and we're gonna someday play Monopoly on this channel to prove it. And if one of you guys cut me cheating a single time, I'm a liar, and you guys can unsubscribe to me all you want. So, what was the sentence again?
If somebody cheated during Monopoly, what would you sentence them to?
1 hour in timeout.
What if they cheat during Uno?
2 hours in timeout.
A kid stays up till 3 a.m. gaming.
Guys, do not send this video to my mom, but I stayed up until 5 a.m. once watching object shows, so actually, no charge. I've done that too, so no charge. Because technically, I would get that charge too.
Someone called cereal a soup.
That's so funny. That's so funny. That removes the charges. No charge.
Are you sure?
Cereal is... Actually, never mind. That's not that good. I forced it after 1 hour in timeout. I'm sorry, but you can't be disrespecting cereal. That's my favorite breakfast meal.
Okay, somebody tells you to be ready in 15 minutes, but really it takes them 30 minutes.
Your sentence for this is, you know what? Why don't you pay me those 15 minutes back? In exchange, you're getting 15 minutes in timeout. I think that's a fair deal. 15 minutes I have to spend waiting, and you need to repay those 15 minutes.
All right, here's the last three. Someone ate the last slice of pizza, but left the box. So you open the box thinking there's another slice of pizza, and it's all gone.
Okay. Eating all the slices of pizza without me is crime-ish enough. But you can if you're gonna eat all the pizza slices without me, at least be honest. You got my hopes up. Jail.
A kid cleaned their room by shoving everything under the bed or in the closet.
Jail.
All right, last one. Someone started a group project and then disappeared until presentation day.
Sorry, my brain is sorry, but the number you are not looking for is not available for customer service. Talk after we do a quick intermission. Okay, intermission time's over. So their sentence is one whole day you're sentenced with a 1-day timeout sentence. Only time you don't go in timeout is breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Nothing else. No using devices. Reading only. Yeah. That is my court cases for today. Now, comment below which court cases you would like to see next, and they could get accepted in a future video. So, be blessed, feel blessed, and stay blessed. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more court cases on the Amazing Chandler Show. This court is dismissed. Peace out.